You will need a clean cloth or towel, a small to medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver, a new Allura battery, and a container to hold the battery cover screws. Unplug and turn off the Allura, put it face down on a clean cloth on a flat surface. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 battery cover screws. If your Allura does not have a battery cover, it is an older model and will need to be sent into a Jabbla authorized dealer to have the battery replaced. Remove the battery cover from the bottom enclosure. The battery is attached to the battery cover with Velcro. Remove the battery cable from the battery connector. Insert the new battery cable in the connector on the device. There's only one way the battery cable can be inserted into the connector. Insert the new battery in the bottom enclosure and making sure the wires are inside the device. Reinsert the battery cover, making sure you're putting the bottom inside the device. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, reinstall the 2 battery cover screws.